Hello guys, welcome back to Bollywood Bug. Today we are going to talk about the secret affairs of Bollywood star kids. Before we start, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Navya Naveli Nanda and Aryan Khan. Shah Rukh's son Aryan and Amitabh Bachchan's granddaughter Navya have always been the talk of the town. We have seen many pictures of them spending time together. They have also been seen partying together multiple times. Actually, the two were classmates in the Seven Oaks School in London. Rumors of their alleged relationship started from then. Even though they have been spotted together constantly, they have not yet confirmed the affair. Arjun Kapoor and Athia Shetty. While shooting for their film Mubaraka, Arjun Kapoor and Athia Shetty were rumored to be dating. Although both of them denied the rumors, they were spotted together many times. In fact, during the after party of an award show, the duo was spotted kissing each other. Anyways, they parted ways long ago. Arjun Kapoor is currently dating Malaika Arora. And Athia is reportedly dating cricketer KL Rahul. Sara Ali Khan and Harshvardhan Kapoor. News of the ongoing affair between Sara Ali Khan and Harshvardhan Kapoor surfaced in 2017. Two of them were seen together on multiple occasions, from airport to dinner dates. But within a few months, reports came that the couple parted ways. Reports in 2018 again suggested that they have reunited. Although none of them had accepted or rejected the media claims. Sara Ali Khan and Jaha Handa. Sara Ali Khan has been rumored to be in a relationship with late actor Sushant Singh Rajput as well. Their affair rumors came out soon after the release of her first movie Kedarnath. Later, the news of their breakup came. Then, at the time of shooting Love Aajkal 2, it was speculated that she had an affair with Kartik Aaryan. Currently, a cozy image of her with Jaha Handa came out. Jaha Handa is son of a film producer Vipin Handa. And it has been assumed that they might be having an affair. Janhvi Kapoor and Ishaan Khattar. The relationship between Janhvi Kapoor and Ishaan Khattar had been a well-kept secret. It was hard that the two came close during the shooting of Dhadka and started dating. But none of them agreed to the reports. They maintained their statements of being friends. Later, their breakup rumors got confirmed. Shraddha Kapoor and Rohan Shresht. Shraddha Kapoor likes to keep her love life a secret, so she hardly makes public statements on the subject. Rumors of her affair with Farhan Akhtar had made rounds for quite some time. But the actress never made any official statements. Recently, she has been linked with celebrity photographer Rohan Shresht. Reports suggest that the two are quite serious about each other. And the two may get married soon. Sonakshi Sinha and Aditya Shroff. Sonakshi has successfully kept her private life safe and secure from the eyes of the media. She has been rumored to have affairs with some of her co-stars including Shahid Kapoor. But none of the relationships was official. Currently, reports suggest that she has an affair with Aditya Shroff. He is a yoga coach based in Mumbai. Both of them have been seen together on some occasion. although nothing has been confirmed from Sonakshi's side. Don't forget to like the video and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next video.